Hi guys, this video is going to be about how to see hidden information on Facebook Marketplace, such as the seller's phone number. First, you will obviously need to get to your Facebook app and then go to the Marketplace. You will select the item you want to purchase. Then you will scroll down to the description box. You can clearly see here that the phone number has been hidden. What you will have to do is scroll back up and then select the share button. Now, a menu will come up. You have to select the More Options button. Here, you will select the Copy button. This will copy the URL link of the ad itself. Then you exit Facebook. You will need to get into the Chrome app. Here, you open a new tab and you paste the link that you just recently copied. Then you can press Enter. Now you should finally be able to see the phone number that was previously hidden through the Facebook app. I hope this video was informative and could help you all.